Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Coca Cola recipe was registered for the patent in 1893. However, the recipe that has changes over time, but it will not have patent again. They have a good reason to do so. To obtain a patent, the inventor is required to disclose the recipe fully that will be available for the public after 20 years.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While the truth of these two men is unknown, it is an actual fact that Coca Cola does not have a patent on its recipe to ensure that its secret formula remains undisclosed. In 1893, Coca Cola patented its original formula, but after the formula changed, it was not patented again.
Let's help you make your mark.
The recipe is not patented, because patents are published in detail and come with an expiration date, whereas trade secrets can remain the intellectual property of their holders in perpetuity. KFC uses its original recipe as a means to differentiate its product from its competitors.
Let's help you make your mark.
20 years. A U.S. utility patent, explained above, is generally granted for 20 years from the date the patent application is filed. However, periodic fees are required to maintain the enforceability of the patent.
Let's help you make your mark.
The reason why there's no patent on it is to ensure the recipe remains undisclosed. A patent is only good for 20 years, which means that after that, the recipe becomes available to the public. The original formula was patented in 1893, but the recipe changed over the course of time and it was never patented again.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.